Oh, I hear something. UPS man, UPS man. Have you seen the UPS man? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've been waiting. Ordered my alternator because I wanted a 75 amp alternator so it would cover my electric fan, make sure I had plenty of amperage for all my electronics. And it got jammed in the mail due to bad weather out in the Midwest. I think some of the flooding slowed down the UPS route. But while I'm waiting, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and wire in my new pigtail. I did get it in the mail. New pigtail. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark a wire, the outside wire right here, this outside one, mark it with a piece of yellow tape, of course. Yellowfoxbodyguy got yellow tape. Mark that with a piece of yellow tape. I'm going to mark the one on the car. See that piece right there? I got a piece of yellow tape. So when I cut this, put my new connectors on, I know this wire, based off the pigtail from what I'm seeing, this outside wire is the one with the yellow. That way I don't get them mixed up. You don't want to mix up your wires, guys. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mark both of them with yellow paint. Do all my connections because there's only two big wires and one striped white and black wire which goes nowhere. So mark those so they don't get crossed up. And that's about all I can do at the moment. Okay, here's something I'm going to do just to check and make sure I've got my new pigtail on. I put it on, I crimped everything, it's ready to go, waiting on the alternator. But I'm going to go ahead and check my battery. I checked it without the wires on, it was 12.1 volts. So now, I'm going to check it with the new pigtail on because it was shorting out before because those wires, when that pigtail caught on fire, it shorted out. So we're going to put 12.1 volts. So yeah, nothing is shorting out now in the pigtail, which is a good thing. I got my voltage is the same. So what I'm thinking is nothing else got messed up, no fuses or anything got burned in there. I want to show you something else too. Dielectric grease. I always get you some of this. I'm going to put it in that clip whenever the new alternator gets in. I'll put it in the clip. That's what's going to work. Keep it from wanting to move around and arc and do stuff like that. It'll make that connection go a little bit better. So all I can do now is wait a little bit more. So I'm going to go sit out by the road and wait for the UPS man. Today is Saturday, so he might not be here till Monday. If that be the case, oh well. Might start tinkering with my windows. The quarter windows on these convertibles, all kinds of plastic bushings, a lot of stuff goes bad. So might start tinkering on that. But LMR has got a kit for the quarter windows for the convertible top. It's $100. Comes with two brand new aluminum fasteners for the bottom. It's got a round piece. I can have that made at work. That's the advantage of working where I got a metal shop out there where I work. So I'll probably have those made because those things are about $50. If you don't, I can get them made, and that's how I'm gonna save some money there. I might end up having to order the black square bushings. Might throw a picture of that in here, but that'll be a whole nother video. But anyway, so all I've done today, pigtail, rewired it, just two wires, still waiting on the alternator. It ain't gonna be but 2 bolts. Put the dielectric grease in it, plug it in, and we'll see what happens. I'll probably put that at, that'll be the next part of this video. Peace out, dudes.